Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1965 Bizzarini. It's a complete turnkey engine ready to go. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 4-bolt main, one-piece rear main seal block, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. It's made in USA, Taylor ignition wires in the orange. All the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pans installed. You have the correct water pump for the customer's application. Customer wanted his intake manifold, the orange, matching orange to the block. We put the also want the oil fill tube and the breather. Thermostat housings in the correct location. Thermostat's in there. PCV valve. All the ventilation lines are all hooked up. This one's getting the Holley 650 double pumper carburetor on there. Throttle return springs on there. Throttle cable bracket. MSD ignition coil. Small cap distributor for firewall clearance. All set. Customer's getting the standard flywheel. This is the correct flywheel tooth count, correct balance, pilot bushings in there, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice Chevrolet chrome valve covers with a matching 14-inch air cleaner. I put the high flow fuel pump on there. All the fittings are in there. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters on there, balancer, and the correct water pump. So there you have it. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes here. Fully tested. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So there you have it. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.